Okay guys, so before we start putting the Raptor on, we're gonna put some adhesive promoter on the plastic. And what the adhesive promoter does, it flashes. And what does flash mean? Of course, it means that when the chemicals are on the plastic, you have to let it sit there and air out for 5 minutes so it could activate. And as soon as it's activated, you can start putting the Raptor all around, and it could help it get stuck on it. So let's go.
And you only pass it once, or how many times do you have to do it?
Just once. That's it. There you go. And just have to let it sit there for 5 minutes. Let it air out, and it should flash. Start flashing.
All right, let's let it wait.
Alright guys, we're gonna be waiting for the adhesive promoter to dry out. So while we're waiting for that, I'm gonna show you how to get the Raptor ready. So there's this line right here. They have to pour the hardener.
Wait, where's the line?
Right here.
Oh, okay, I see it right there.
So you have to pour the hardener all the way up here. But first of all, you do not want to pour it at the beginning. You do not want to pour it all the way up there. You want to pour it mainly up to right here. So at the beginning, when you pour the hardener, it won't, you know, so you have more space at the end, so it'll mix up really good. And then at the end, when it's mixed up real good, you put more, so it'll be more, so it'll stick on more to the Raptor and all that on the truck. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, look, as you can see, it's not filled up all the way. And we're gonna fill it up to right here. So I think there's good enough. So we're gonna shake it, and then once we're gonna shake it real good. Once we're done shaking it real good, we're gonna pour the hardener up to the line where I had shown you in the beginning. All right, so now we're gonna pour up the hardener up to the line. Wrong. All right, so now you shake it real good.
Now it says right there on the box that you have to shake it for about 2 minutes. So yeah, while that happens, we're gonna go ahead and start getting the gun and everything else ready, because we're ready to spray. Okay guys, so I think we're ready to spray. What's gonna happen right now is that Rolly's gonna start the spraying. So basically what's gonna happen is that at first he's gonna go ahead and go through all the edges right there, make sure that he has coverage in the difficult parts to get through. Then after that, he's gonna go ahead and start spraying from right to left or left to right. It doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead and start watching this. Now the first time that he does it, he's not really going to get that much of a coverage, but it's okay, because basically what has to happen is that Raptor has to be left on there for a while. Maybe we'll give it about 15-20 minutes. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and do the second coating, and in the second coating is that when you're really going to see the good coverage.
just did the first coat. Now we're just gonna finish off with the second coat. We're good to go. We still have some Raptor left, so we're just gonna go around the truck and finish the Raptor off. Wait for it to dry and see how it comes out. We'll let you know.
Alright guys, so it's been about an hour and the Raptor is almost done. So we can start taking off the paper off.
Now guys, I told you, don't let these two fool you. They just look like that. This truck, as more and more tape they start taking off, is starting to look like a completely different vehicle. Absolutely no dents, absolutely no scratches. The Raptor did a great job. These guys did a great job. Man, I'm just surprised of how nice it's looking without the tape.
Alright guys, so this piece of tape right here all over the bumper, that should be the last piece of tape that should be on this truck. And when we take that off, all we need to tomorrow what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the grill, the lights, and we're gonna put the new grill that we have over there, and we're gonna put the lights, and then we're gonna take off the rims and the tires, and we're gonna put new ones that we have. All right, so let's start taking off this tape. So all in all, the truck looks pretty good. Like I said, tomorrow we're gonna just take off that grill, the lights, and we're gonna put on the new grill, the new lights, and the tires and the rims. So stay tuned, like and subscribe.